Welcome to the Prince Armory Academy. We've got something a little different for you today. We have some more advanced armor projects coming up that will feature some epoxy resin accents. So I thought I'd introduce you to the art of resin craft with some easy and affordable projects that anyone can enjoy. I must warn you though, it can be wildly addictive. That being said, I'll put the product links in the description. Stay tuned until the end to see how I turned this long ashtray mold into a helpful accessory for your leather bench. In the meantime, enjoy. I figured since it had two compartments that it would be perfect for holding a pack of rivets. I was correct. In fact, I liked it so much, I made two. Thanks for watching. Please tell us what you think and remember to like and subscribe for more of our content.